Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 24 of the Advent of Code. One more day to go, or two more days to go, I guess, if you count this one. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about, today's poem. Hopefully it's not too difficult, but it is Saturday, so we'll see. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's okay. But yeah, this is a live recording, so the explanation will be at the end after I solve the problem. So definitely check out for that. And I'm trying to get on the leaderboard as well. So yeah, no, try. Not. I don't think I have expectations here, but that's fine. It should be okay. Yeah, 10 seconds to go. Go 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 go. Line in this section. Wow, what is going on here? 300. Okay, fine. 'Cause I think I used to know this, but I'm gonna Google it. Also, I wouldn't be surprised if someone already finished. Because this seems like a library thing, but I don't have the library for it. I don't know the library for it. gonna cheat. Used to have code for this, but I don't know what happened. That'll be pretty bad if that is exactly the answer. Maybe I should refactor later, but I did knew that, but I forgot. What am I doing? I win this like 4 times. This is so bad. Okay, this gives me the right answer for these. So, okay. Okay, so we're almost done. Come on now, finish it. How did I write it isn't forward? Because I think this is a trick case. So let me print. Okay, just want to make sure I have negative case handle. I don't think I got leaderboard, but I hope I have a chance on part 2. Still gonna test it. 7. Okay, because kind of this is in a weird way. Okay, and now. Yeah, 35. Actually higher than I thought. I would. Let's look at part 2. Alright, well, I'm glad I got on the leaderboard for part 1 because part 2 is ridiculous. Someone already got it. Wow. I am actually, I mean, mad props. They probably also didn't copy and paste the intersection code. But, well, even someone, how? I mean, mad props. Does it have to be integer? Okay, so we don't use part 1 at all. How do I even think about this? Well, maybe I'm oh, was it this time? Can we figure out how to sort? I see, I see. Well, no. I mean, yes, but wow, I don't even know how to start. And 2 people already got it. Do we simulate? I don't even know how to brute force, to be honest. People finished part 1 yet? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, what if there are only 2 dimensions? I don't even know how to do it, just only 2 dimensions. Man, people just look. Can I figure it? Is it linear programming? I put it as constraints. Maybe? It is, isn't it? I don't remember the linear programming stuff though. But it's been a while since I did Z3, so. I think I was in leaderboard on this one, on Z, but I don't remember which one. So let's see. Oh, this is me from yesterday. I was using someone's code to debug. What was the problem? Day 21. Maybe I was looking the wrong day. Okay, how would I define this? So basically you want some collusion time. So where it is, I don't know if this is the right way, to be honest, just to be clear. I want to add to be honest, I don't really quite remember how to do it, but so, oh well, but it'll be fine. I don't get either word, but I still want to learn how to do it. That's why I'm trying to like be a little bit deliberate. Okay, so basically what I want to do is, how do I set up this set of equations? It's not the same t though, just any t, right? Basically you want this x times some t sub I is this should be t sub I. Nope, I don't know how to do formulas. Is this plus I know this is only one dimension, so we're missing a parent or some weird thing. Perhaps I forgot a comma. Perhaps I did. Oh, yeah. Forgot a lot of things. Okay. There was zeros, but I forget that. Oh, right. I think I did this a little bit weird, to be honest, but I think it's fine. I think these should be constants, but I think it's probably fine. It will be slower, but fine. That's why it's returning 0. Ooh, it's already too slow. I might as well finish typing it in. Maybe I should optimize this a little bit. I don't know if it's going to help, but the way I do it doesn't hurt. Oh, right. Copy and paste over. At least that finished quickly. This doesn't even finish quickly for the input, the test inputs, let alone the other input. I mean, I think this is technically right, I think. Possibly. But maybe, I don't know. I don't know if that's true. But either way, it's still taking forever even for just the inputs. That's not great. I guess I have to do. That's help to search. No. What's today? 24. I'm running in the background, but I mean, this is for the test input, so it's not fast enough for that. It's not going to be fast enough for. It's not going to be fast enough for the actual code. Is there a better way to write this? I'm going to cheat a little bit just to see if I can get this to be right. Just as a sanity check. Yeah, I mean, this made it work. Doesn't seem like it works for So if I have one dimension, it's fast enough. Maybe. I don't even know if that's true. Oh, I can't run this like this because it'll just be. That's actually remarkably fast, actually. That's actually pretty good. I mean, I'm happy. We got one correct answer. Is that fast enough though? Especially for these inputs where all the numbers are ridiculous. And maybe in that ridiculousness, I don't know. Can I add additional constraints? I mean, still only 14 people got it, so I think this is as hard as I think it is. Input, maybe something input sensitive. Six-dimensional search. If I had maybe even like does that help? Well, apparently this. That's pretty fast though. So if I is that one dimension, then it becomes pretty fast. Can I do something like, how do I do optimize remove? What? I don't know the C3 Python. Alright, I can do. I don't, okay, for now. Guess I don't need this. It was better than nothing. Does it 1000 search? I'm hoping the answer is 1000, I guess, for time. Maybe that's just too optimistic. I don't know. Well, it won't end. I can't kill it. It's a monster. It's alive. It takes a second each, so this would take forever. Okay, fine. You're right. Whatever. We'll just run it in the background. It probably won't finish. Wait, does this work? Because if this works, this should work for the first one, right? Part 1. The test case. Why doesn't that work for the test case? Is the timeout too slow? Or too high or whatever? What's going wrong? Does this work before? Right, we set this to 5, it works. Yeah. So then why is this not working? Do I have to clear something? I have a lot of things suspended. Okay, so it does work. Just maybe very slow. Okay, well. Alright, I'll just run this in the background. And then we'll see. I mean, this will take forever. Oops. I have so many things. Alright, well, so this isn't going to work. And still, 32 people finished it only. I have to figure out, I mean, this could also maybe work if we have an additional constraint. Right. Is there things I don't know about? I mean, I guess time is the only thing that, you know, I just kind of make it. I'm gonna try 3 of these, and then we need to figure out how to do this a little bit cleaner. This doesn't even work for the example. Just 3 numbers. I can't even figure out for 3 numbers. Can I do it for 1 player? Just 2 numbers? Alright, what about 1 number? Does that do anything? This should trivially be true, right? Okay, yeah. So it's not that I'm I think if you could find 2 numbers, then maybe you can keep on building off that. But you're already searching over 6 variables. Right, let's see what happens if we get rid of the Z. Okay. So it's trivially true. Which is maybe not that helpful, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, running it forever this time isn't going to be enough, it seems like. Oh, even 2 numbers is not good enough for this, huh? I had to figure out how to... I mean, it doesn't even do the inputs right with just 4 things. I guess there are a lot of dimensions. even in oh no, it's in 3 dimensions, but I know there's only 2 numbers, but is there a way I can modify this or change something? 46 people got it. I don't think there's anything about the understanding. It's just about how would I even do this? We have a system of 6 equations and 8 dimensions. Search. Can I rewrite this as I need one more thing. We have 6 formulas and 8 variables. That seems weird, right? Maybe that's why it's so fast with one more. What am I missing? I'm not minimizing it, so my formulas are missing one thing then, right? Maybe. That would be funny if I have a typo, but sorry, that's what I was double checking. I guess we can actually just try 2 dimensions real quick. It still takes forever though, so at least like I was hoping that we can use some of these to kind of narrow it down or something, but it's okay. So it's maybe this is not the right approach at all. Is another way. I mean, if it is just solving a set of equations, I think this actually solves it. But so I think there is some like, is that true, Larry? It might be. Why does that take so long? Actually. To be honest, I don't have any other way of figuring out how to do it. And even full variables, in full lines, it has issues, so I don't think this is quite the way to do it. Maybe this is one of those learning experiences type things. Shall we? Because I don't know that I know how to do it. Maybe I don't think it's mathematical. It's just maybe I'm lacking some tools. Yeah, I think I give up on this one. Not that I give up, but I feel like I'm just missing literature, which is fine. It's fun to learn literature, but I just would have no idea. I mean, it doesn't even finish for two-dimensional for things, and yeah, so if it's not gonna finish for this, I'll never finish. And I don't know that there's another solver. Is there another solver? We got to do solver. Maybe if I messed up, that'd be funny. Oh, optimizer is only linear. Huh. Maybe I misunderstood how to do this. C3 solver. Maybe I don't know how to do it. Just need one example. I just need... Let's try this. That'd be funny if it actually works real quickly. I guess it could just be oh. Model is not available. I mean, that's fine. What does that mean? Oh. Oh, snap. Did I just messed up? Okay. Oh man, I am now not smart. Because I had this for a while, but I was using the wrong thing. I don't know how to do the get. Oh wait, it's no, what? How do you get to I should have gotten this, but oh well. I forget how to do the get variables. This is actually frustrating because I have to find it. I don't know how to get, I have it, come on. Just give it to me. All right. 102, oh man. I had it for, oh man, I had it. I had it for so long. Oh my, I would have been like 10 for something. I had it written out for so long. I don't even know how long I had it, but noob. I didn't know that. I didn't realize that optimizer and solver actually had different runtimes. I mean, today I learned because I haven't used this. I only use this in Advent of Code. So,
Hey.
I'm looking at my own videos. Sorry, friends. Let me see where I had it. So I had it in. Oh man, I had it in like 31 minutes, maybe minus like the first minute. Had it at 30 minutes. Oh my. I would have been like 10 for so, maybe a little bit lower, but I guess I learned something though, so it's not that bad. And I did, and I couldn't figure out how to get the variable names out. Uh, that was the annoying part as well, because my time was where was it, 1:37. So I missed the leaderboard by 27 seconds because I couldn't get the things out. Oh no. Uh, oh, well, I had it. I mean, the moral victory is that I knew how to do it, but I wasn't. Yeah. Why doesn't this work? Is there a way to write this? Oh, maybe it's this. Maybe does that work? Okay, so that does work. Oh man. Okay, that makes sense. But I was just. I mean, I had half an hour to get it on the leaderboard, so I don't know. It is what it is. Um. Uh, 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 that is that is frustrating. Uh, oh, well, that is actually even more frustrating. But um, what is, how did I get? I forget. I mean, I would have at this point. I would have done it manually anyway. But how? Maybe I should learn how to do it though. C3 optimizer. Uh, 2-inch, something like this. Oh, solver. At some point, I was just like, wait, S long. Okay, yeah. At some point, I was like, wait, I guess I'm not really doing optimizer. I didn't know that there was a difference because usually it just doesn't matter that much. But I was wrong. In this case, it clearly mattered. And uh, uh, sorry, friends. I mean, you saw it. I mean, this is the good part of recording. Though I guess I cheated on part one, so I guess it kind of evens out um, by using library code. But that would have been juicy if I was able to do top 10. I don't know. I mean, I don't. At some point, I think at some point I was just like, I have a set of linear equations. Was they're not linear, but I have a set of equations. I should be able to solve it symbiotically. Like so basically what happened was I was thinking like, hey, like it is a set of equations, I should be able to figure out like how to do a matrix solve, right? And at that point, I'm like, if I'm looking to solve it using a matrix, they really like the C3 should CD should have a thing for it because I should not need to implement it myself. And I'm like, wait, I'm doing it optimized, am I? Oh my, I had it so quickly. Oh man. Oh well, it is what it is. I mean, it's fine. Oh well. Yeah. Oh, I didn't hope it'd be. So close, so close. I had it. I mean, I don't know how many points I would have had, but I guess maybe another like 60. Another 60 would have been nice. I don't know how many points. I have 244, so that would have given me 300 points. 300 points, I still know leaderboard, like final leaderboard, but still would have been very respectful. And of course, respectable, respectful. But yeah, I mean, I had it. But I had it so quickly too, relatively. Like I knew I wanted to do it, but I wasn't sure, to be honest. But some of that is just unfamiliarity, and some of it was just also research while doing it, or like as in research the syntax. I knew what I want to do immediately, and you know, I guess this is good that I have the YouTubes of record, so you kind of see, you know. But so close, so close. But I mean, I got lucky a few times this advent of code, so I can't really complain. But yeah. Let me paste this into thing. I guess it's enough. Anyway, all right, let's go over the code real quick. So part one, to be honest, part one I did it with a library, but by library I mean I copied someone else's code, but it is pretty straightforward. I mean, this is such a common operation. I have it in library somewhere too, but but it is quicker to Google than to go through my library. So maybe I need to put it somewhere. But yeah, I think the tricky part, and I don't know if this is true, but the tricky part is that you have to make sure. I think this part. The tricky part is that you have to. You have to make sure that it is t is equals t is greater than 0, I guess, is the idea, right? Because basically, if it's going, you have to make sure that the pointer going forward, because it's almost like a directional thing, right? So that may be where people get tripped up. I kind of took time to deliberately make sure of that. But otherwise, there are a lot of different formulas for line intersection. So yeah. So definitely that's it. Yeah, and of course every two lines. What do they call it in math again? I forget all the, like, this is such like elementary math. I don't remember the terms anymore. But yeah, every two lines intersect, right, other than parallel lines. So basically, that's pretty much the idea. So you have to just make sure that they're pointed or whatever. And then part two is just setting up the system of equations. I don't even know if I can explain it in, or like, it's just a library function, right? So basically, you can kind of think of it, and this is a little bit awkward to read, so I'll kind of write it out. Let me actually just draw it out then. In that case, why does that go? But basically, this is just a system of equation thing, and therefore you can use it a solver for it. I don't know what. I guess I just still have a bit of a mind fog thing, because I should have gotten this. Why does optimize take so long? I am curious though, because I feel like, oh, maybe it's trying to find min. No, I don't think. Doesn't really make sense, to be honest, because I feel like when they try to solve first, maybe, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what happens in the back end. I'm just curious. I'm not even like trying to be judgmental about it. I mean, this is all my thing. But yeah, but basically the idea is that, okay, so for the first asteroid, you have some x, y, z, and then some dx for time, for speed, dy, dz, right? So then that means that for some function time, and this is for every asteroid. Oh, what happened here? For every asteroid, its position for any given time is going to be this. And I don't know that they have to be integer, though I guess it turned out to be, right? So then you have like these three things to for each asteroid to determine. Well, assuming you did it correctly, the position with respect to time, right? And then what you're doing is, and of course, change colors real quick. Of course, this is a number, this is a number, this is a number, and you know, these are numbers, right? So you basically just have some number plus another number times time, right? So then now, yeah, what does that mean, right? So when we throw a walk, that just means that this set of equation is equal to our initial x. So let's just say sx for initial x plus our initial, what did I call it? Anyway, yeah, our initial whatever, right? Times the same t, right? And then you also do the same for y and z. And basically now here you have three sets of equations for what, man, a lot of funky things happen. So three sets of equation per asteroid. And basically from that, honestly, after this, it's just plugging in the solver. I mean, this, that's basically what I did here. I have x, y, z, dx, dy, dz, and then I also constrained it as to greater than 0. I don't know if this is necessary. It probably is, but or like, you know, it's free. But yeah, and then otherwise you just plug it in for x, y, and z, and these are just like very you know, z3 solver. Oh. And my biggest bug was that I was using optimizer. Why is this so slow though? I had it so quickly. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know why I'm waiting, but I don't know why it takes so long. Would have been. I'm curious how everything works. Like, what does it try to minimize or maximize? Yeah, that was so quick. I mean, 3 seconds. Oh man, opportunity lost. Let me take a look. Let's see if I can. Oh, right. Optimizer only works on linear constraints. Yeah, I think if it threw an error, maybe I would have realized. But I forgot that it's non-linear. That's why the optimizer doesn't really run that well. Okay. Anyway, yeah, that's all I have for this one. Man, such a opportunity to hit another top 10, maybe 15. I don't think I was top 10, but maybe top 15, top 20. Oh well, that's all I have for today, though. Let me know what you think. I mean, it's been a good day. It's fine. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.